Just stop and restart just whenever you're ready and talk it through. So you're on.
Right. What we're seeing here is a low-resolution prototype of a lesson that came out of a number of experiences and interactions that I had with people during our institute. The lesson is built in such a way that I can see very clearly how each step builds on the other. And it starts with an exploratory question, a question of how adolescents might experience struggles that are similar across time and space. That question was actually taken from another fellow who modeled a lesson on the same question. And I was able to take that and innovate upon it and turn it into something unique to me and my students in my curriculum. So it starts with that question in which students examine themselves as a character in their own life and what are their struggles. That then is built on by looking at a short story. What is the struggle of that particular character, and what are the connections that they're able to make to him? Then we bring in a poem from ancient Egypt that's along the same theme of struggle. And again, they're able to explore the connections and the similarities that they might recognize across these characters and within themselves. They're then going to take those three quick writes that right now exist as three separate texts and bring them together and distill them. And distilling is also a word that I was able to take from experience with others in the Institute. And it's the idea of seeing what a theme is or what a pattern is and being able to put it very succinctly in few words to really name what's happening. So they'll distill it down into just 6 words, and then they're going to make that public to everyone through a gallery walk, and that's a protocol taken from the National Writing Project, PILA Writing Project, ISI. And I think that matters because they're now interacting with one another's ideas that emerged from those quick writes, further adding to the perspectives that they might have constructed as individuals. So a lot of drawing on Vygotsky's core assertions here, in that there's a lot of interaction as well as intra-action as a way of making sense of the language and the actions that are in place in this lesson.